Have you ever wondered if your homeowner's insurance covers you during a flood? You might be surprised to learn that it doesn't. Today, we're diving into the crucial differences between flood insurance and homeowner's insurance. This is vital information. Knowing the distinction could protect your home and your finances. Whether you're a new homeowner or just reassessing your current policies, understanding these differences is key. Ready to get informed? And trust me, you won't want to miss our bonus tip on how to assess your flood risk at the end of the video. What is flood insurance? Flood insurance is a specialized policy designed to cover damages caused specifically by flooding. Unlike other water damage, flood damage is defined as rising water that affects multiple properties, often due to storms, hurricanes, or overflowing rivers. But what exactly does a flood insurance policy cover, and how does it work? Typically, flood insurance includes damage to your home's structure, such as walls, floors, and appliances, as well as damage to personal belongings like furniture and electronics. It's crucial to not only understand what is covered, but also what is not. Content policies and building coverage can vary. Are you aware of what your potential policy might include? We'll reveal a surprising fact about flood insurance policies that many homeowners overlook. Stay tuned. How does homeowners insurance differ? Homeowners insurance is a comprehensive policy that protects your home against various risks like fire, theft, vandalism, and some types of water damage. However, it does not cover damage from flooding. So, what kind of water damage does homeowners insurance cover? Typically, homeowners insurance addresses damage caused by internal water sources, like a broken pipe or an overflowing bathtub. The key distinction is that homeowners insurance doesn't cover water that enters from outside. Understanding these details is crucial for effective property protection. Do you know what's actually covered under your current policy? We'll uncover a common misconception about homeowners insurance you need to be aware of. Don't miss it. Do you need flood insurance? Now let's make this interactive. Is flood insurance necessary for you? Ask yourself, do you live in a flood-prone area? Or has your home been affected by flooding in the past? Consider your proximity to bodies of water and your area's weather patterns. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share your experiences and thoughts on whether flood insurance seems necessary based on your circumstances. Your insights could help others make informed decisions. Are you ready to decide if flood insurance is right for you? We'll provide a tool later that can help you assess your area's flood risk. Stick around for this valuable resource. Cost considerations and coverage options. Costs for flood insurance can vary significantly based on your home's location, its elevation, and other risk factors. It's often affordable for homes in lower-risk areas, but premiums can be higher in flood-prone zones. But how can you get the best value for your coverage? Start by assessing your area's flood risk through FEMA's flood maps, and consider reaching out to multiple providers for quotes. Ensure that you're comparing similar coverage options and understand how deductibles and limits affect your premiums. Did you know there's a way to potentially lower your flood insurance premiums? We'll share this cost-saving tip soon. How to assess your flood risk assessing. Your flood risk is a crucial step in deciding whether to purchase flood insurance. This involves understanding your home's location, local rainfall patterns, and the community's flood history. But how do you go about assessing this risk effectively? Use FEMA's Flood Map Service Center to see the flood zones in your area. Additionally, speak to neighbors and local authorities to get information on past flooding events. Knowing your risk level empowers you to make informed insurance decisions. Are you ready to evaluate your flood risk comprehensively? There's another resource that provides a detailed risk assessment we'll discuss later. Don't miss this helpful tool. Bonus insight. Around this point, you're probably getting a solid understanding, but there's a key insight many overlook. Did you know installing certain preventative measures in your home can impact both your flood insurance premiums and coverage effectiveness? This insight can help you reduce costs and enhance protection. We'll reveal these measures later and how you can implement them for better protection. Stay tuned. Stronger calls to action, CTAs, and end screens. Before we wrap up, remember, knowledge is power when it comes to navigating insurance options. Ensure your home is adequately protected by assessing both flood and homeowners insurance. After watching, consider taking a moment to review your current policies and determine if additional coverage is needed. Subscribe to our channel for continuous updates and advice on home and lifestyle tips. Stay informed and proactive. Real-life example and success story. Let me introduce Lisa, a homeowner who thought her comprehensive homeowners insurance had her covered, until a freak storm caused a flood in her area. Unfortunately, without flood insurance, She faced significant out-of-pocket costs, but don't worry, there's a positive outcome to this story. Lisa learned her lesson, assessed her flood risk using FEMA's maps, and added flood insurance to her coverage. This move not only protected her financially, but also gave her peace of mind. Her story highlights the critical importance of understanding and evaluating your insurance needs. Inspired to take action? You too can avoid costly errors with proper information. What steps will you take next? Key takeaways. Understanding the differences between flood insurance and homeowners. Insurance is paramount to protecting your home and finances. While homeowners insurance covers a broad range of damages, flood insurance specifically targets flood-related incidents, ensuring complete coverage. Don't forget how preventive measures can reduce both risks and costs. Act now for better future security. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What steps have you taken to secure your home against floods? And remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on essential home tips. Bonus tool. As promised, here's a valuable resource. Check out NFIP's Flood Insurance Manual for more insights on purchasing and managing flood insurance. Exploring this manual can provide a deeper understanding of your options and enhance your preparedness. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and ensure your home is always protected. Until next time, take proactive steps to safeguard your sanctuary.